Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's Cast Iron Cooking Challenge is favorite meals, and I'm actually going to make something I've never made before. Tater Tot Casserole, if you saw the title of the video. Now, Cowboy Kent Rollins had made this the other day on his channel, and I thought, man, that looks good. So I decided to go ahead and make it myself. Sorry, I'm stirring my bacon. And because I love tater tots, ground beef. I got some bacon going. So what I'm going to do a little different. He used a can of cream and mushroom soup, but I'm going to make my own from scratch because I've never done that before. That'd be a little bit different. Plus I can make a smaller amount, so I don't need a whole can of it. And yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm just cooking my bacon. Go ahead and get my mushrooms chopped. I'll throw them right in the saucepan. Right in with the bacon and also the bacon grease, because I want that grease in there. These are just store-bought. They usually they're right next to the button mushrooms, but I think they're just brown button mushrooms. That's all they had. So I'll chop these up off camera and then I'll get back to it. Alright, so what I decided to do was pull the bacon so that it will be still crispy when I go to use it. But I want to keep that grease from the mushrooms. Push that aside. Hopefully I didn't get too many mushrooms, but there we go. Basically just going by what I saw in video. Apply a little rosemary. A little paprika. Oops. A little Old Bay. A little salt or garlic. Totally dry in the bottom, so I want to add olive oil, additional oil, because it's mushrooms soak up a lot of grease, so oil. But that bacon's gonna leave a lot. It's gonna add flavor to the party. All right, that actually came together pretty quick, so I'm gonna add a little bit of. Wait, what's the step I need? Alright, I almost forgot a step. I'm going to add some flour. I want it to thicken. Like that. Let me go ahead and... Alright. So that thickened up real quick. And I need my chicken stock. That looks good. Get a lid on that. Alright, so I'm going to add some whipping cream. Turn that down. cream and mushroom soup. Oop. Which I spilled. Alright. I can go ahead and let that simmer while I turn my attention to my burner. Get that heating up. A little bit of extra oil for the meat. And when that gets hot, I'll bring it back. Pan's warming up, so what I got here is I got a ½ pound of ground beef. I got the 90%. Get my oven preheating. A little bit of the garlic. Old Bay. The standard go-tos. Pretty much the same seasonings I use all the time. A little bit of salt, not much. I'm going to do a corn on the cob, so I'm just salting the water. Alright, so when that is browned up, I'll bring it back. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do, there's still some redness in here, but I'm also going to be baking this as soon as, I'm going to be baking this as well for half an hour, so I'm going to get out majority of the oil. So put the ground beef back in. Get rid of that. Now I need, let's see, we'll forget something. Kill the burner. I tasted this soup off camera and it was delicious. We're gonna put the soup in. I may have actually made the perfect amount. I was thinking maybe I had too much soup, but I think I actually nailed it. Kind of a happy accident. Alright. Then we're going to add cheddar cheese to the whole top. Star of the meal. Got the Tater Tots. I'm gonna go right on top. I don't want to put too many in here. I think that's probably good enough. I'm basically making this. This is gonna be my dinner, so this one meal is going to be probably kind of a lot. And because I got those bacon bits, I'm going to sprinkle bacon bits all over the top. There we go. Now I'm going to pop it in the oven as soon as it's up to temp. Okay, so oven is up to temp. I went ahead and just threw my tots in a freezer bag so I can not have to worry about them spilling all over my freezer. And I'm going to put this in the oven 30 minutes. At 350. I also went ahead and put my corn on and turned on the burner. So by the time the water heats up and boils, we should be happy. And that burner was already a little bit hot. So, all right. So I was so happy with how the blueberry cobbler came out. I decided to go ahead and make a apple crisp as well, just because I could. So, and of course, only 1 spoonful of sugar because I just don't want a bowl of sugar. So that's just 1 apple chopped up, 1 spoonful of sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon. I don't know if I need any moisture in there. Yeah, probably not. So I gotta Spoonful of sugar in there. So basically when the casserole comes out, I'll throw in the apple crisp and I'll let it bake while I eat. Big glob of butter. Work that around. Wow, I need more butter. And the soup I spilled on the burner, I haven't cleaned up yet, so it's kind of stinking up my kitchen a little bit. It'll burn off, but woof. Yeah, I'll stir this off camera. Alright, so I went and grabbed a wooden spoon and it finally all came together. So I'll go ahead and just... I mean, admittingly, the crispy top is probably the best. So, yeah, I made quite a bit. I'll probably end up baking this for about 45 minutes because of how thick it is. I'll just go ahead and call that. So that's ready to go. Alright, let's take a look. Only 17 seconds left, so the smell in here is just, it smells really good in here. Oh wow, that looks bubbly delicious. The Tots look pretty crispy too, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the apple crisp in. Well, there she is. Those Tots are looking good. Man, that looks delicious. Now, of course, if I take a bite of this, I'm gonna give myself a 3rd-degree burn. So I'm definitely gonna wait like 15 minutes, let it set up a little bit, and then we're gonna eat it. I get my corn on the cob, salted and buttered, ready to go. I might go ahead and just eat it while I'm waiting for this. I mean, I'm doing it out of order, but whatever. Alright, I went ahead and ate my corn off camera. I'm not going to eat corn on camera because it's just, you know, who wants to watch that? I don't want to waste any of it though. Alright. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to hold this up and show you a bite because the pan's probably going to be pretty hot, but let's go ahead and have a taste. So, here's a bite. Oh, I forgot something. Look right at it too. Forgot my black pepper. Alright. Well, I guess I could turn the camera up and just leave the skillet down. Alrighty, here we go. Whew. Man, that holds in some heat. Wow. I might have to let it cool down a little bit more. It's delicious though. Got that rosemary coming through with the soup. Nice and creamy. Got that bacon on top, but cheesy. Oh, dripping. Tots are cooked all the way through. Yeah. Yeah, this This is a win. Hot as hell though. Alright, so we got 4 minutes and 6 seconds left, so well, 4 minutes left. Oh wow, that smells really good. You know what? It's got a nice color to it. I'm gonna call that done. Real nice color. Sweet. I can kill the oven because it is hot in here. Alrighty, so I managed to finish this, but jam a fork in me because I am stuffed. Whew. I'm glad I'll be going to bed a little early because I've got to work tomorrow morning because I'm in food coma. I don't know if I'll even eat the apple crisp. I might have a few spoonfuls before later after after settles, but yeah, and of course I spilled some on my shirt, but man, it was delicious. So I'll give it a little time. I might taste the apple crisp, then explode. But yeah, that was good, really good. So all right. All right. Playing with the camera. Thought I'd at least take a bite of this. I'm still pretty full, but I'll get a bite or two. Apples came out really good. A little cinnamon. Not overly sweet. Well, that's good stuff. The crispy topping I think could have been a little bit better. Maybe not enough sugar. That's alright though. It will do. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the playlist plus Shovelhead 8 and the Cast Iron Cooking channel. And of course at the end there'll be videos posted on the screen at the end, probably already here. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next week.